This video will show you how to use the steam and hot water functionality on the Smeg Espresso machine. On the Smeg Espresso machine, 2 steam intensities can be selected. Firstly, pour cold fresh milk into the metal jug. Whole milk works best for frothing. Using the rubber section, move the steam wand outwards. Introduce it into the jug. Tilt the jug to position the steam wand correctly into the milk. Turn the steam lever anti-clockwise to the desired steam intensity. The first steam setting is recommended to heat or froth milk for drinks that require a light foam, such as lattes. The second steam setting is perfect for creating a more dense foam, great for cappuccinos. The steam wand should be close to the surface of the milk, and the milk should swirl in the jug. Place your hand on the jug to feel the temperature rising. Stop frothing when the jug feels like a hot radiator. Once the desired temperature of the milk has been reached, reposition the steam lever to the off position to stop the steam. Swirl the milk in the jug to combine the foam and lightly tap on the work surface to knock out any larger air bubbles. The milk should look glossy and smooth. Alternatively, hot water can be produced for Americanos or longer coffees. Simply turn the lever clockwise to meet the water droplet icon and dispense hot water. Return the steam lever to the off position to stop the flow of water. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.